everybody, as you can tell by the hairdo, I'm on the motorcycle. Yeah, we got the new tire on there. It was a bad Dunlop, but guess what? Dunlop did right by me. So we're good with that. And I just did an 80 mile an hour plus trip on the freeway right behind me there to check it out. Gonna see how things work for headed towards Sturgis. You want to make sure your bike's going to work if you get to go. So I'm checking that out today. And I did the, like I said, freeway, did about 30 miles of that. Forgot to start the video back there at the house. So anyway, we just did straight freeway. But what I'm going to do right now is I got a little program on here. I'm going to try and see if that will work. If it does, it should. Lone Star Rider uses that program. And it's pretty awesome. I'm going to check it out and see if it will work. If it does work, you'll see it right here next little clip here. But I'm going to head up north, and then I'm going to loop around back down towards my house. I don't know how many miles it is, but if you can't go over 100 miles a day, 100 miles in one shot, you're never going to be able to ride to Sturgis. Okay. And so I'm going to see, I think it should be that. We'll find out when we get home. Next clip coming up, and then I'll talk to you when we get home about how everything went. Okay, hang in here. Well, I'll do a little narrating here for you as we go down the road. I took off and left the gas station at Flying J. $4.60 a gallon for gasoline there. Now we went up here through Shoshone. That's where Vickie was born and grew up there. And notice it's all desert. It wasn't too hot here. It was about 90, I think, a little over. And we're going to head on down the road here. They got right there, they got a big old rest area there that everybody stops. If I'd have went straight, that's where we go camping at. But didn't go straight. We turned. Now I'm headed to a town called Gooding. We just turned off of that highway, we turned right at Fairfield, 6 miles further down the road. That's where we would have been, Fairfield, Idaho. But we're headed towards Gooding, which is not far from my house at all, really. Now we went to Gooding. We could have went straight there and went on down to the house too, but I decided, there wasn't no we on it, to go on over here to Bliss. So we took that highway and came down through there, and then we ended up right down here, Hagerman at the park, where I shut the thing off. Do I look a little worse for wear? Oh my! Well, the bike, let's turn that thing around. The bike did excellent. It is so nice to be able to go the speed limit. I've been keeping that thing under around 70 miles an hour because I didn't trust the front tire. I trust this Dunlop completely. It did its 80 miles plus, because the speed limit's only 80 miles an hour. You know, I probably wouldn't go over that, but I think it would. What we did today in total was about 160 miles. 130 of that, I didn't even take my feet off the pegs. I just found a loop that I only had to stop for a couple stop signs. And hopefully the little thing that I put together on here, we can add that in the middle between here and there. But all in all, other than it being 104 degrees right now, it was okay. And that's not with my comfortable seat, not with a tour pack to lean on. So who knows? Maybe able to ride that to Sturgis. Have to think about it. Got a while to go yet. We're still working on Vickie. If she goes, I'm taking a motor home. I'll tell you that. Well, stay tuned, guys. There'll be more.